Hi guys, I've raised my soundbar. It's a bit higher now. It'd be better if it was like on the wall and all that, on a mount and all that, yeah, underneath the TV. I ain't got that option though, because I want to keep this tabletop stand, because it's white, like a white mount. It's unusual. It's like really stylish, this like TV stand. So I want to keep it. So this is like my best option. Like, I think the sound is improved a bit. Like the center speaker is a bit more clearer. Not much though, just like a tiny bit better. It's got better airflow now, like the soundbar. I've got like my Apple TV box underneath and like my switcher box. I think it's better. Let's like get like a video up, yeah? An Atmos video. Yeah, let's do this one.
Save on every range in the Oak Furnitureland Bank Holiday Sale. Now on.
This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of the scene, or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury. And remember this? It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision. Because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that reveals details deeper than any image you've seen on a screen. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color you've never experienced in the cinema.
That sounded all right. It's a bit of improvement there. Let's try this. It's 3D audio. bass is improved and all when I've like raised this soundbar. Or anything else. Try this one. One more I'll do. Try this one.
When I'm thinking of you and all that we do, I'm wrapped in my own devices. When I'm thinking about the way that we are, alone with my own devices.
In soccer, the Cosmos look to be well on their way to a league championship. The Cosmos walked all over the Spitfires 5-1 last night and are now 13-1-1 on the season.
That was well, lad. I'm quite happy with this stand and all that to raise like my Samsung Q990B soundbar. Didn't cost all that much, £24.99. It's quite fair. So I'm happy and all that, yeah. I can hear like slight improvements. I ain't watched like an Atmos movie yet, so I can't tell you about that. I just have to wait to watch like a movie. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.